Hey guys, how are you guys? Hope you're good. Yeah, firstly, I would like to thank you guys. I see you guys are following our content. Obviously, you guys know it's your favorite DJ Apex, and I'm with the love of my life, obviously, the lady here. And yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm gonna give you a chance to speak as well. So, like, yeah, we came back with another hit. Another banger, something we did before, featured in Q&A, but this time we came around with some spicy moves, So since the first Q&A was about like getting to know each other well, basically it's not like maybe his cut is we did meet each other before we do the Q&A, but generally we just made questions about testing each other with yeah, so right now we came back with another hit, which is more questions like more and more are fun, like just to have fun, Yeah, it's all about having fun. So yeah, I'm gonna start with my first question. Okay. So like, if you could switch lives with me, um, what would you do?
Switch
Yeah.
lives.
Yeah, like if maybe like never even for a love.
Ngahlala endlini like indaba zami yenza isibani sami hayi nje udistract. That's my favorite hobby or activity.
Favorite hobby or activities? Writing poems, cooking. Yeah, I'm on the right track. Okay. What's your favorite genre? What's my favorite genre? Sorry, recently that I listened to.
No. Yo.
Okay, things I'm really ngithanda amajanja yabo, like specifically the reason why it's okay, it's because you're a mamela, but
Yeah.
definitely
Yeah.
I do like piano. So between hip hop and piano, what do I listen to the most?
Yeah. But
Definitely.
both hip hop and piano.
Yeah.
What do you love most about me?
About you, I love that you are really caring, you love me. You like honesty, I'll turn like a man, and you do respect the one, and how you expect people to respect you. Yeah, that's what I love you so much. And I can get it basically. Okay. What's the best surprise I've ever planned?
Surprise. Yeah. Angazi ngizithatha kanjani, but mina ngingibeli best surprise.
Yeah.
She's like bekana ama-dreads, ngihlangana naye bekana ama-dreads and wamfanela, yabo. So vele ungitshele ukuthi uzoshintsha, yabo, uzongisusa enze i-cutting. Bekasangangitshela ukuthi kahle kahle ufuna and uthe uzoyenza September. September mina ngisho ukuthi vele September vele khona. Kanti no, umuntu akangitsheli ukuthi awasisile. And then like that day wangitexta wathi une-surprise for me. And then like ngicabanga ukuthi ngitshela ukuthi hayibo uma ngimbona like I couldn't believe it. Like mangimbona, like I was so surprised and like I was so happy and they were like handsome guys. Handsome like indishintshile ubile wabo wesi. So leya surprise leya nje like ngiyamjabulisa. like bengizibuza ukuthi vele nje vele wasusile and kube ngathi akakaze abe nawo. So yeah, i-surprise ke because bengacabanga ukuthi
Wow, yeah, right.
What made you fall in love with?
Yeah, like I wanna like Leon. To be honest, I just felt like he's feeling angazi zona emzimbeni ukuthi yo like angazi noma makusipamps like khona nje feeling yabona ukuthi yo yabona lana if I mess up with this opportunity I'll never get the opportunity, so you know that's how I felt ukuthi yeah I need to give this a chance because like yo didn't feel like I can't even explain it, like I couldn't even explain it really, you know, but I knew ukuthi lending no time, you know, yeah, that's how I felt ukuthi okay, what's your favorite memory of us together?
Best.
Yeah.
You guys reminding about memories, but the best one. Why should we say our best is how? Our best is how. Like you think like we smoothly, even though guys like you when like you yo asemhlangane naye like yo umuntu right man yazi umuntu sharp like go down to earth, understand, so wangenza nje ngifeel comfortable ngathi nje vele nje ngijwayele, so like bekumnandi yabo everything nje ibe right, so yeah mina enjoy it. Okay. What's one thing you appreciate most about our relationship?
Okay, the most that I appreciate, whenever we have an argument, we always like find a way, you know, to sort things out. And I love the way we tend to emphasize and corner, which is the that is smooth, you know, between us. Yeah, I think those two are the best principles in our relationship. Okay, if you could plan a dream date, what would it look like?
Dream date?
Yeah.
Picnic. Like Nyaitani picnic with all my heart. Nyaitani picnic. Yo, Nyaitani like picnic. Yeah. I think I went in it's really just this is my name.
Yes.
That's if it's another name too, because yeah, so yeah, picnic. Number one, they would see that's a poor city.
Yeah.
Like they are like picnic.
Oh, picnic is so sweet, right? Yeah.
Okay. What's the best advice I've given you? The best advice you gave me?
Okay, the best advice would be I should focus on me, focus on my dreams, and if you can't think too high, then I should speak out, and if it means I should cry, then I should cry. That one, yeah. And then is I feel like practically, you know, because I recently lost a loved one. Okay, what's something that always makes you think of me?
Cologne. Yo, no. It's my salary empathy. Like, yo,
okay.
Cologne, number one. Yo, do you think we've become more patient, understanding, supportive? or of each other?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, and I believe he says more and more because says in people just be happy, we might have like a lot of challenges in life. So umqondo nje uhlale aware ukuthi izinto ziyenzeka empilweni, Okay. If we could have an animal as a pet, what would it be?
Animal.
Yeah.
Ayikhenye nje inje. Dog. Mara mina ngifuna encane kakhulu. Lezi eyikhulile azikho right ngiyasaba. Ngifuna nje ukuthinyana ngani ongakhulu. Yeah.
Hey.
Okay, how do I make you feel loved and appreciated?
Everything the way sorry.
How do I make you feel loved and appreciated?
Okay. You respect the guy or not. I really love it firstly. Like the way umthanda ngakhona, the way umbonisa ngakhona uthando, like ingakazi nami ngithole. That's how I feel like rooting is special. You always make me feel like that. I feel loved actually. Okay. If we were stuck on a deserted island, what 3 things?
Island.
Yeah, like on a deserted island. Just like you're gonna generate. That's a deserted island. Yeah. Let's say Sibuli Island.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right now, just to
3 things.
Surf around, yeah.
Boats, water. Impahla eziwoma.
Yeah. You know what? Fruits and snacks. Some little bit of wine. Yeah, maybe some virgin cocktails.
If it's you, I say I find it.
Okay. If it's yours. Okay, we'll get to that. And then one last thing. Okay. Yeah. I just didn't want to say it on camera, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, if it's yours, yeah. Let's like say I'm going to say
Yeah, khona into enzakalayo lapha.
I bring a gun.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, for safety, because that's what's a lot. For sure, for now, I should be sure. Yeah, sure. But I think for safety,
Yeah, girl. What's my
name?
I won't brush. Who's my middle name?
Promise. What's something you are grateful for in our relationship? Yeah.
Through it all, we are there for each other, physically, emotionally, just to use throughout the day, that was a two with a sport and so thina like sabuzana ilanga lonke nje kaphela I'm still good. Because ngeke uhlale u-right kwesinye isikhathi ngeke uhlale u-right ilanga lonke ngenzeka ezinye izinto yabo zingaphathi kahle ungakhona ukutshela umuntu bangakhoni ukubuza kahle kahle ushaphu noma uyazi ukuthi ukhona umuntu wakhe lo onendaba nawe yabo ukubhekayo ukuthi usesebenzisa so into engithandayo nje support ukunakekela nje yabo because naye so what's something you want me to know but you haven't told me yet?
Yeah, I wouldn't lie. I wouldn't lie in something like this. I wouldn't lie. Okay, for now, I don't have any for now. Yeah. Sad. Okay, not sad, but yeah, I don't have for now. Okay. What's one thing you are looking forward to experiencing together? What's one thing like you're looking forward to experiencing together?
Oh, like yo, you can just explore. Explore, go out, travel together. Yeah, it's going to be easy nice. So the nice of travel and nice experiences. So,
yep.
Baby.
Okay. Alright, so that will go away. Okay, alright guys. Please subscribe on our channels. Yeah, and also please follow us guys on social media. I'm DJ Apex _ on Facebook, Space Language. Yeah, and then Lady N will say social media accounts.
On Facebook,
yeah.
And then TikTok, Lady N Lompendo.
Yeah, and then on YouTube.
Lady N. Yeah.
Yeah. So on YouTube, guys, it's Apex Wave Studios. Yeah. So please subscribe, guys, and follow us because we're still gonna drop more content.
Guys, though, Instagram but soon.
Yeah. Me.
So guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe.
Yeah.
And follow us. Love you.
Love you guys. We're still gonna drop more and more. As I've said, yeah, Saturday nights on our channels because she's fine. Yeah. So bye guys.
Bye.